Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. I'm very excited to make this particular video on ticker symbol ASTR, which is for Astra Space, because Tuesday afternoon a catalyst is coming, right? And if you know what's coming, you can make money either if it goes up or down, but very excited if you get in early. So in this particular video, I'm going to talk about what is going to happen Tuesday afternoon and how the price can move, how can you make money using some call option or some put option or even playing with the stock. Also, I will talk about the technical charts, the support, resistance, which place you should buy in, at the same time few other information. And if you find this video useful, do not forget to like this particular video, share this video, and also subscribe to my channel. So first of all, Astra, we can see that it was up by 1%, after our up by another 6%. You can see the run up. End of the day, last week, it just moved a little bit. So look at few things. So if I go to astra.com, this is their website, this is official, okay? So December 6th, that was a PR, but look at the other PR that came on November 22nd. Astra reaches orbit, November 22nd, and I made a video on November 21st. So I made the video before that because I was watching Twitter, got some news, so we got in really early. At that time, Astra was 9.7 after hours. Look what happened. Look at the date. It was around $9. The next morning, it went to 13.5. So if I look just in terms of percentage, almost 50% up. So we released the video early. So the members, if you're subscribed, then the subscriber, they know it. If you're part of my Discord community, they also got the news pretty early and we made some money. Now there is another news happening because, as I said, Tuesday afternoon. So I'm going to talk about the news definitely, but let's look at few other things. So this is the chart, daily chart, up and down, up and down. I'm going to talk more about this, but again, if you like this kind of news based trading or just chart based trading, as an example, we played with BBIG, started a swing trade from 2.2 all the way to 4.3, almost 95% profit, some day trading on RELI 20%. So this kind of trade we do over our Discord. Just become a Patreon, get access to my Discord for pre-market, market hour, even weekend like today, some news so that you can make money for each and every day. So anyway, give a try, join my community, let's make some money together. Okay, so if you go in different news places, so Astra Rocket 3 set to launch from Cape Canaveral maybe Tuesday, January 18th. The launch window will be open from 1 to 4 p.m. So Astra Space has announced that it plans to deploy its first satellite in orbit for NASA when it launches a Astra Rocket 3 on Tuesday, January 18th. Okay. So the launch window will be 1 to 4 p.m. The historic launch site has been prepared for new commercial launch partner in less than a year, and so many things. Just pause and read it. It's a very exciting. So whenever there is a launch, few things can happen. If it is successful, the price can go up. If it is not successful, the price can go down. Either way, I want to make money. Okay. So I'm going to go back to the chart. I will look at the chart, but before that, also look at few other things. This chart in the blue line, you see the price action, and the yellow bars, these are the volume. So November 22nd, huge volume came, right? You see the huge volume, 74 million. When I say huge, it is compared to other days of volume. So you see a big bar. So huge volume came, the price moved a lot. Then volume died, the price came down. Now on Tuesday, maybe pre-market or during market hour, or even if there is any news that they were successful, more volume can come end of Tuesday or maybe Wednesday. So we are trying to get in early, right? We are trying to get in early so that if it goes up, we are in. If it goes down, maybe we have a stop loss to get out, or we are playing put option. So we are prepared for both ways. Okay. So that's the chart, that's the volume. You can see with volume what can happen. Look at here. Big volume, big move in price. So whenever volume comes, this thing will move. If I go to Fintel, it has a short interest of 15%, which is also good. With high volume, this can move. Look at dark pool short interest, 68.4%, which is really high. So in terms of short share availability, close to 1 million, still very, very high. If I go to shortablestock.com, almost the same number, 900,000 shares are available to short. Cost to borrow fee rate is 1.23. So these are not very high. The only thing is, with a nice catalyst, if volume comes, then this thing will go up with a successful launch. Okay, I will also talk about the option, because I see some nice gain opportunity with option. You can just spend $10, $15. If things are going in right way, you can make a lot of money. As an example, I had a BBIG call option for 2.5 strike. If you are following me, you know I bought that call option for $9. It went all the way to 110, $20, so almost 10, 15 times more money. Anyway, let's look at the chart now. So this is the daily chart, right? So goes up, down, up, down, up, down, and currently it is on a downtrend. This is the downtrend. Currently it is happening. That's the reality. It can only move if there is any successful catalyst. In other words, like the Tuesday event becomes successful, or if the event is not successful, it might come down. Do not forget, it is on a downtrend. Shorts might pile up, the short interest might go up, and this thing can come down. So let's have a look. In terms of the daily volume, I'm looking at two areas definitely here. One is 7.4, it was a support. Another area is 8.4. Both are broken, right? So I'm going to go back to a 1 hour chart. Just want to see if there is any kind of area we can find. So first of all, if I look here, you can see that it tried to find a bottom last week Friday around 5.35, 5.3, and also nice volume came. Why? Because of that news. And also, if I open extended hour, you can see even nice pop. So the nice pop towards 5.7. So one area is 5.3. The next area I'm looking at $6. Nice chart, because 6 was a support here, then it became a resistance. After 6, after 6 I will just go a little bit higher, maybe around $7. See, 7, it got rejected few times. And also we have 7.4, then 8.4, and so on. So I'm not going more than 8.4 for now, because from 5.4 or even $6, if it moves to 8.4, almost 56, 57% profit. That will be insane. Okay. On other hand, if there is any bad catalyst or bad news, and if this thing breaks 5.4, it will come down. So in that case, if you're shorting or if you're playing with put option, you can make money. So pause the video, look at these areas. So if pre-market it goes up, maybe you cannot enter around 5.4, but you might see some pullback. Right around here, 5.7. Again, why 5.7? Look, it was a previous support, so this might become a resistance. So it might give a pullback, so you can enter again around 5.5 or something. We will see. With time, we will see. So I have 6, and I also have another area around 6.2. Not to be very precise, because things can move. Okay. Now let's talk about call option. If you like lotto kind of play, and if the event is Tuesday afternoon, right? So if it happens, that's the main thing. If it happens between 1 to 3 or 4 p.m., between 1 to 4 p.m., then there's a good catalyst, standard time. So let's say it's gonna happen. So the nearest call option expiry date will be 21st of January, which is Friday. Look at some open interest. So these people are still waiting for this to pop. If you buy 7.5 strike price, current price is 5.6 something, 5.9. Okay, so if you buy 7.5 strike price for one call option, you are gonna pay only $10. If things are moving really good from 6, it goes to 7, 8, 9, 10. Your $10 might become 20, 30, 40. Who knows? We will see, right? But this is out of the money. You can also play with 5 strike price, but you have to pay $75. So in one side, if you just want to take a chance, I'm quoting the word chance, then just play with this one, because you are risking only $10. If it does not go up or it moves sideways, you are losing only $10, right? Your risk is very, very minimum. Also see some people here, they just paid $5 and still waiting, right? So anyway, too far. So 7.5, this is the one I might play. I see lots of volume and open interest. Also, the IV is really high. Keep that in mind. And next week will be only 4 days, so we have only few times, and we are risking less. you can play with also shares. The other thing is the put option. Let's say something went bad, or it never happened on Tuesday afternoon and things are coming down. In that case, I would say try a put option for 5 strike price. For one put option, you have to pay $15, only $15. So if things are not going in your way, you can always sell at $10, $8, or if you do not do anything, if it becomes worthless, you are losing maximum $15. Look, many people are waiting, same mentality like us, right? So the open interest is 7,800, so they are waiting. So if you spend 15 here and if you spend 10 here, so in total you are risking $25. Either it goes up or down, hugely one of these will print. If it goes down, your put option will print. If it goes up, your call option will print. So either way, if it moves really big, this is the thing, right? Big, so you will make money. So this is the thing I'm planning. If you want, if you think the launch will be successful, you can just buy call option as well. But keep that in mind, the current price is right at 5.7, right? So 7.5 is a little bit out of the money, but 5 strike price is close. If you do not know anything about option, I would say do not wait till 4 p.m. I just want you, not 4 p.m., Friday 4 p.m. So if it is happening on Tuesday, this is good. But if you're holding any of the option, do not wait till the end, which is 21st of January. This is your expiration, right? 21st of January, Friday. Just close it. Close it. Do not go through the expiration, because if you do not know, you can mess up. So there's the thing. Okay, so let me know what do you think. And hopefully last time the way we played from 9.7 it went to $14. I released the video earlier, so hopefully this time we are also early. And if you want to get more updated chart in the morning, pre-market, or during market hour, definitely I would recommend join my community, become a Patreon, get access to my Discord, so we can all talk, we can all discuss. When the market will move, we will decide when to enter, when to exit, so we can all make some money together. And not only with ASTR, if you're following the market, BBIG, this is another one. For back-to-back 3 days, we are making money on this. This is very hot. People are talking, this thing will go up. So I made another video on BBIG. So watch that particular video. This thing is also gonna pop, hopefully. And again, thank you again for watching this particular video. Like this video, subscribe my channel, share this video, and also join my community, and let's make money together. Thank you again. Take care and peace.